Hey, I hope you doing good today. I'm just taking a little walk around some of the artwork I've been finishing up and wanted to show you my flowers and how they come out in the artwork, and thought you'd just enjoy a quick walk around. Oh, I love the color in this phlox. It is so amazing. Oh, and the lilies. Oh, just look at that yellow. Tiny little world right inside there. That's what I love to see. Here's one that I just finished. It's got a lot of wings going on lately. I must be wanting to fly. So take a little walk around and look, and we'll check back in a sec. Hey, I love looking at these colors coming together. It just makes me so happy when I can see it like this. It's so cool. It just makes me, just sparkle and getting the color, and I guess that's my way of talking and communicating. There we go, dipping it in. Yay! So glad you guys are enjoying this. I'll let you back and look at how color comes from nature. That's what I want you guys to sit there and see. Talk to you later. Bye. Look at here. Look at these colors in this bee balm. It's like a neon, and it's red, and it's orange, and it's pink, all just screaming. So it's like that, those colors just have to come out in the artwork, because there it is right there in front of you. I think that's just so neat how somehow it all goes together with nature. Cool. That's for sure. And we'll do something fun with it. Hey, thanks for stopping by, taking a look at my artwork. Have an awesome day. Sparkle on.